Welcome everyone, here's how you charge your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. So first of all, you will need the box. If you don't have the box, I will cover what you can do. Open up the box and you see where Galaxy Z Flip 4 text is. Just flip that side of the box to the other side and you're going to see the Samsung logo and this little hole. You're just going to pull up with a finger and this will reveal a cardboard box right here. When you open up the cardboard box, you're going to have this cardboard piece of paper and you're going to have all this documentation. Move that out the way. Now we have the charging cable. So the way Samsung wants you to charge your Z Flip 4 is you will need to buy their charging brick. Okay, it's a black version of this, and what you do is when you get the brick, I'll have a link in the description to buy one. You insert one end into the charging brick, the brick goes to the wall, and then the other end goes into your Z Flip 4 and you're charging. Now, if you wanted to charge completely for free, there are a couple of options you can take. So real quick, if these options don't work, again, I do have the link to buy Samsung's official charging brick in the description. But you can see here, this is actually a MacBook charging brick. And the MacBook charger actually supports Z Flip 4. Many Windows laptops will actually have the same charging cable, which is USB Type-C, and that will also charge the Z Flip 4. You may have an old phone which uses USB Type-C, that will also work with the Z Flip 4. If you do not have the charging cable already with the charging brick from an old device, then yes, you will need to buy a new charging brick. Again, links in the description, and a charging cable. Remember earlier when I said what to do if you don't have the box. If you don't have the box, you will need to buy the charging brick and the cable, and the link in the description. You can filter between just getting the brick or the brick and the cable, so if you need both, just check out the link down below, and it will also help support the channel at the exact same time. Yes, it's inconvenient, you have to buy a charging brick, but just thank Apple. Apple started the trend, Samsung mocked them, and then they did what Apple did as well. So, you know, you can't really blame Apple if Samsung also copied them. But that's how it goes. So, with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.